Now guys, when you are into UI designing, there are thousands of places where you need different kind of icons. Let's say you are creating a buy button, so there you need a card icon. Let's say you are creating a menu option, there obviously you need a hamburger icon. And there are many uses of these icons. Now the question is how we can get these icons for free, which we you can which we can use in Figma. Well, let me show you how we can use these icons on Figma, or from where we can get these icons for free. So guys, as you can see, I'm on Google right now, and on Google I'm gonna simply search free icon websites. When you search free icon websites, you will gonna see basically top two results which will gonna appear in on your computer is Flat Icon and Icon Finder. Now these are the two websites which will going to help you to get the icons completely for free. You don't have to pay a single penny to use Flat Icon and as well as Icon Finder, unless and until you are not using these icons for your commercial projects, right? So let's say if I click on Flat Icon, and if I like tap on the search result, and if I scroll a little bit down here, I can see multiple kinds of icons. These are the branded ones, or the brand logos, as you can see. Instagram, Twitter, then I don't know like of which website or which brand it is. Apple, then Discord. Okay, this is also Discord. I don't know about this. Okay, Figma, Android, Google, or maybe uh, location. Okay, then we do have some bold icons, regular icons, solid icons, thin icons. Every design or every form of icon is available here. You can see 2000 icons are here, almost 7700 icons in bold, 7800 icons in regular, in solid and thin. If we scroll a little bit down, there are some colorful icons as well which you can use in your UI design. So these icons are completely free. You can use these icons on your Figma projects. Let's say I want a bold icon, so I'm gonna simply like click on this library, and I can see all these bold icons. Even I can, if I'm on a home page of Flat Icon, I can simply search here. Let's say I need a home icon, so I'll simply search here home and hit the search button, and it is showing me almost 344,000 search results. So like countless options are there. The most popular ones are this. You can use these icons on your UI design. Now how we can use these icons on our UI design, what's the procedure? Let me first log in into my Figma account. So let it load. Yeah, this is my Figma account, and let me just simply open the one of the recent projects. All right, here it is. Let me just zoom in. When I zoom in, this is my artboard where I'm gonna add those icons. So let me go back to Flat Icon, and let's say I want this icon to be in my Figma project. So simply I can hit the download button. As soon as I hover my cursor over this icon, I see these options. So I'm gonna click on the download button, and here it shows download assets, SVG or PNG. If I click on SVG, it will gonna like ask me the amount. It is asking me to buy a subscription, because all of these icons are not completely available, but yeah, some of the icons are freely available, some of the icons you need to pay for. Like here it is, as we can see, PNG is completely available, but yes, SVG is not available. But the thing is, SVG is the recommended one. If you want to use your designs, I mean use the icons on your Figma designs, the recommended one is the SVG only. Why it is recommended, let me show you. Let me go back to the Google search results. Flat Icon is asking you some amount, and obviously there basically it works in a freemium model where it provides you some free access, and obviously some to use some assets you need to pay some amount, right? But when I click on icon finder, most probably this is like you can use icon finder completely for free. Although if you want to use it for commercial purpose, then you need to pay, otherwise it is completely free. Here I'll again search home and hit the search, and this time I'm gonna use this, and I can see the free icon, like free tag on the free items. This is not the free one. If I click here, this is asking me to pay some amount, right? It is asking me to like uh, get this product for $2. I have to pay $2 to get this product, right? So this is not free. But if I go for this one, this is completely free. It has a free tag over here. So if I click here, I do see the options to download this particular icon. So if I go for the PNG, so in PNG I see different options, 48 pixels, 64, 128, 256 and 512 pixels. If you click on more sizes, there are other sizes as well. Let's say if I go for 512 pixels, or maybe 40, let's say I go with 24 pixels, and if I hit the download PNG button, this will be downloaded, and the size of this is only 246 bits. So I can simply drag this to my Figma project, and this is how the icon looks like. Now the drawback of using a PNG is like when you stretch it, it will gonna distort, as you can see here, right? So in order to use a PNG, you need to download a heavy, basically you need to download a large file. Let's say if you go for like 4096 pixels, and if you download it, the size of this PNG image is almost 107 kilobyte, right? KB. Now if I like drag this icon here, now this is the exact size of this particular icon. Let me zoom out a little bit. Now here is the size of the second one. You can check yourself that this is the 48 pixels, I guess, and this is 4096 pixels. Obviously if you increase the size of it, it will not gonna distort, but the thing is the size of this is already 108 or 7 KB, and in UIs we need hundreds of these icons, these kind of icons. So if we add these icons multiple times, or this kind of icons hundreds of times, definitely our project is gonna become way heavier than expected. That's why we use SVG. Now let's say if I go for the SVG, I go to SVG and simply hit the download. There is no size in the SVG. Why? And even you can see the size of the SVG file is only 495 bit. Compared to, it is not even 1 KB, and that the PNG was 107 KB. It is not even 1 KB, and like as you can see here, whatever the size or whatever, like how much you wanna increase it or stretch it, it will not gonna distort. This is the benefit of using an SVG file, right? The size of the file is very low, very less, but the the result it will gonna give you is the best. The images or the icons doesn't distort. That's why we prefer using SVG files on Figma while creating UI designs. I hope you understood. Right. Now I have told you that there are some content or some icons, you can say icons are free and some are paid, as we have seen here. This one is not free. If you want to use this, you need to pay, and these are the free ones, right? In the same way, we do have flat icon where you need to pay to use some elements, and some elements are completely free, right? Now even you can get the icons on Figma itself, and that is for completely free. How you can get that? First you need to go to home. Let me log in one another page on Figma, figma.com. Now let me delete this one because we are already exceeding the limit. Okay, I've deleted this one. Alright, now in order to use or in order to find the icons on Figma, you need to go to the dashboard of your Figma. Do you see Explore Community in the bottom left corner of your screen? You need to tap on that. When you click on that, you need to scroll down, and here you'll be able to see multiple. So this is basically a library, right? And when you scroll down, there are tons of different items you can get here, and even you can get the icon packs here as well. As you can see here, we do have one icon pack. This is completely free, and these are created by the Figma users itself. This is not created by Figma. This is created by Figma users. So this is a community where like designers from all around the globe shares their content freely on Figma's community. Right, so here you see multiple tools, you see multiple icons completely for free. As you can see, here's one more library, icon pack, which has almost 1100 icons which you can use. And in the same way, you can use this one, 7800 plus icons. And in the same way, you see multiple options. You just need to search here and you can get the icons. If I search icon, I will see multiple files over here which I can use. Obviously all of these are not free, but most of them or majority of them are free. Like this one, the name suggests free icon pack. If I click here, if I click on open in Figma, it will gonna open this file in my Figma itself, and I can use those icons in my Figma projects completely for free. Although they have mentioned that don't use these icons for commercial projects, so obviously on your personal projects you can use this, and if you're into any commercial project, obviously you need to pay some amount, right? So you need to zoom in. These are the pages which have the icons. As you can see here, each and every page has some icons. You can use these are the most popular ones. Add option. If you want to use this, you can simply Control C, copy it and go to your Figma project and paste it, and it will gonna paste it. And these are the SVG here, because obviously SVG are the recommended ones. So in Figma's library you will see only SVG files, not the PNG. Right, so these are the two ways using which you can like get the free icons for your Figma. I hope you understood. And these two libraries or these two ways will give you like whatever you want in icons. Like, so you will not gonna go short of icons, right? So this will fulfill like basically these two ways will fulfill your uh, demand of icons or any kind of icon requirement. Got it? I hope you understood.